Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to work with classic retainers in Clerk. By classic retainers I mean the case when we work based on time and materials and need to get one or multiple upfront payments from the client. For this case we will use Clerk Invoices app to create invoices and Clerk Budgets app to track the retainer balance. And let's open the Clerk Budgets first and create the budget with this name here, and we need to set the budget type as retainer. And now let's go to the Clerk Invoices app and create the invoice that will be used to get the upfront payment from the client. We will create invoice with fixed price line that has the retainer amount, and we will make it to add to the retainer balance. And now we can save it. And now if we get back to the Clerk Budgets app and open the retainer details, we will see all our invoices with upfront payments here, and they define the retainer balance. Now we will use the Clerk Invoices app to create monthly invoices that consume our retainer balance. Let's create the invoice for the July with the following numbers. We need to link this invoice to our retainer and make it spend the retainer balance. Now we can save the invoice. If we scroll at the bottom, we will see retainer withdrawals here. In this case, since the retainer balance is big enough, the retainer has fully covered this invoice and we don't need to charge our client. If we go to the Clerk Budgets app, we will see that the retainer balance is updated after we have created this new invoice. Now let's get back to the Clerk Invoices app and create new invoice for the August with the following numbers, and let's save it. In this invoice we also have retainer withdrawals, but since the retainer balance is not enough to fully cover this invoice, we have some amount to be paid by the client. And if we get back to the Clerk Budgets app, we will see that the retainer balance is fully consumed now. To simplify this demo, I have created these invoices manually, but the best way is to create these invoices using the invoice generator. It allows to automatically create invoices from Jira or Tempo Time. You can watch a separate video that shows how the invoice generator works. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.